Another quick update for some of y'all. There was a video we had filmed of a Jeep Grand Cherokee. That one is right over here still. They actually got an engine for it. So some of y'all that have been asking about buying this vehicle, I just want to update some of y'all that the SRT8 Jeep Grand Cherokee is getting another SRT8 Jeep Grand Cherokee motor in it. The motor is actually already here in stock. So soon as this is ready with the motor in it and everything, I will let all y'all know the price, and you'll be more than welcome to come up here to the dealership and take that bad boy out for a test drive. Some of y'all have also asked about the Monte Carlo over there, and I asked the owner today what the deal is with the Monte Carlo. He said it is not for sale. So Monte Carlo not for sale, unfortunately. He says $4,500 for the Chevy Corvette over there with no motor, but he said he's not selling the Monte Carlo SS over there. So I appreciate all y'all asking about it, and it was definitely fun filming some of these cars back here. It seemed like so many people were interested in knowing more information about them. So do the best I can to get y'all updates on stuff. So again, the SRT 10 Dodge Ram be ready in about 2 weeks. The Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT8 will be ready. I don't know when, but they got a motor on it. And Monte Carlo is not for sale. And what else we got, man? Got a good looking black Dodge Challenger here that's just came in. The Audi A8 will be ready soon once it gets ready. But you got that. You got a lot of great vehicles out here that are getting ready to be ready for the front lines. So anyways, guys, make sure you pay your car payments on time, or the tow truck man will come get you. Okay? He'll come get you. Believe me, folks, the tow man will come get you. They've gotten me before. They'll get you too. So make sure you pay your car payments. If you get behind, call the dealership, let them know what's going on. You know, a lot of times people that own car dealerships are human just like me and you, and they will work with you, but you have to keep the lines of communication open. You know, well, definitely with a buy here, pay here car dealership. When you are dealing with a big finance company like Santander, Honda Finance, you know, these big finance companies, maybe it's Bank of America, Wells Fargo, whoever you got your auto loan with, it might be easier to hide from them and not pick up the phone and this, that, and the other. But let me tell you, those companies are going to be a lot quicker to come and get your car and take it from you. At least with a buy here, pay here dealership, they will be a little more lenient with you and give you some time to get the payments paid on it. I mean, if these people repossess a vehicle, folks, good chances are you were really doing the best you could not to pay them, or you got several months behind. Because I worked at the store they had up in Monk's Corner, and they were pretty good about working with the customers that got behind on car payments. But anyways, guys, have a great day. I gotta go grab something to drink at the gas station. I'm sweating. It's in the 90s, and my mouth is dry. We'll see you soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and subscribe to the channel, guys. I need y'all's help. I'm trying to do my part. So if y'all could subscribe and hit that like button for me, I really would appreciate it. See you soon.